Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs with popular features and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.